Greetings and a warm welcome to Rand Talks, where we deliver top-quality educational resources for individuals seeking to broaden their knowledge and skills. As a YouTuber, I am delighted to provide you with engaging and informative content that caters to a wide range of interests and fields. Our videos are tailored to offer in-depth coverage of various disciplines, including science, tourism, mathematics, language learning, history, and motivation. Whether you are a student in search of study tips and effective learning strategies or an adult looking for ways to enrich your life, we have the right content for you. The objective of our videos is to inform, educate, and entertain, making learning a fun-filled and engaging process. As an avid believer in the importance of lifelong learning, we are proud to have built a community of passionate thinkers who inspire and learn from one another through our platform. We cater to every demographic, and our content is perfect for anyone looking to sharpen their skills and advance their career. We invite both male and female audiences, young and old, to be part of this transformative journey of personal development. We take pride in delivering a professional style of vlogging that is both informative and entertaining, making our videos a valuable addition to your learning resources. With a video length of just 1 minute, you can easily fit it into your daily routine while still gaining valuable insights and knowledge. Don't miss out on this opportunity for growth and development. Subscribe to Rand Talks and join our vibrant community of passionate learners today.